There are millions of websites in the World Wide Web, and each website comes with a different design and contents in it, but what makes it unique for a business to succeed? The present world of technology is so dynamic that if you are learning something new, another version of the update will come next even before you can complete learning about the first version. Websites are unique in drafting a success story of a business because it acts as the company's face. In the website, we see not only products and services but also the company's mission and vision. As per the E-commerce Foundation, 88% of consumers do a research on the internet before purchasing any product or service. It is clear that consumers' buying behavior is entirely dependent on the company's online reputation. Hence, websites plays a significant role for business success. Let's discuss the importance of website impact on the success of a business. Quick takeaways from the article. How the different modes of website marketing can influence a business. A strong web presence is going to build credibility for the business. Website acts as the sales machine. 24/7 round-the-clock website services. Importance of website design matching audience attention. Significance of website marketing. Website marketing helps to build the company's online presence. Every ad you make and piece of content you write in your website will act as the source to reach your target audience. In brief, website marketing allows the consumer to know what type of services or products you offer online. Social media marketing allows a way to reach large base of potential customers. Undoubtedly, social media has taken a forefront in marketing now, considering the huge base of online social platform users. The social media analytics additionally makes it much more productive by reaching out to the right crowd of interested consumers and educate them more about what you offer. Similarly, like social media, SEO marketing activities are critical for a business website to list in the top SERP, search engine results page. Content marketing is crucial in business development, and it acts as the source to navigate customers to your site. When they search online about products and services related to what you offer. Even with the blog posts, we can navigate a massive audience to the site, providing a lot of information. Email marketing practically provides customer leads by reaching out to customers directly through an email and offering the website as the mode of products and services to your audience. Every week you can send your customer base a lot of information about your upcoming products and services to learn and make their purchasing decisions through your website. PPC, pay-per-click, ads plays an essential role in reverting customers to a website. It's an expensive process, but nevertheless it is result-oriented. Website act as the sales machine. In a thriving digital age, having a website that works on all the aspects of marketing is an absolute boon. With a website you can attract customers with SEO content, provide information about the products and services, give reviews, provide testimonials and run campaigns. A well-structured website can truly act as a sales machine and reduce the cost involved in promotion. If the company is not making any marketing activities, customers can still look for products and services through a website. They get to know more about their preference by looking into site's contents. Website builds credibility. A website that has a well-curated content, is built well with a good landing page, helps to create a good impression on the people who visit it. Having a website gives you the platform to display the products and services you offer with detailed information on the quality and make of the products. How website created credibility means they can get to know about your company, like mission, vision and objectives. When did we start, what type of services we provide, etc. Information can be gathered from a website. In short, website helps consumers get to know about our business. Domain name. People search through domain name. The domain is the address of the website. Without that, our process will not run effectively. To create a successful web presence, not to get lost in the digital world, a short, memorable domain name is important for any business. There are different types of domains like .org, .net, and .com. In this .com is the best choice because many people like to search domain name of .com. Around-the-clock accessibility. A marketing team can take leave after their working hours, but websites work around the clock, and they will help the customers 24/7 by informing about the business products and services. The introduction of chatbots have also added another layer of benefit on what a website can offer to its customers. Impression that lasts long with web design. An average website stay of a person is 15 seconds. In this time, if the website is unattractive and takes a long time for loading, then customers will move out from the site, and they will search for some other site. That is why the professional look of the website is very important for the business. Simple navigation, attractive designs, helpful contents and a fast load time are the best ways to grab and retain a customer's attention. Conclusion. The importance of a website for a business can be downplayed at any time. It is the means by which a business can reach out to a larger base of customers and stay relevant with information that gives insight to the development in the field. Hence, having a well-planned website with a content that works for your business is of utmost importance and can turn around your market standing. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.